Welcome to the AccessBase2000 Basics Module 1. My name is Paul Jones. I'm a technical trainer, and I'll be doing this presentation. AccessBase2000 is a software package that comes with the AM3 Plus, AE1000 Plus, and the AE2000 Plus. There's no charge for the software. It is included. We'll go over just the basics of AccessBase2000. Once installed, if I open up AccessBase2000, it's going to prompt me towards Acme Manufacturing. This is a demo. We put some card holders in there. We put a panel in there so you can get familiar with the software. For this module, we're going to use this database. Real-life situation, you do not want to build your database on Acme Manufacturing demo. If I need to open up a new database, I'll just go to File and select New and name that. For instructions on how to do that, you can go to Module 2, which is AccessBase2000 Startup. Before we even get started, there is a manual for the AccessBase2000. It is in the Help file. If I select Help, it will show me help topics, and I can look at different screenshots of exactly what I'm looking at through the software with an explanation, what it's capable of doing, and what I'm trying to accomplish. In the card holder screen is where we're always going to open up to. There are 5 basic areas in this module. The card holder screen, the on-off line with installation button, the upload button, toolbar, and network screen. If we take a look at the card holder screen, we can always access it by selecting the 2 yellow. The on-off line installation button is located in the lower left-hand corner of the screen and is symbolized by a yellow telephone icon. If I select that icon, AccessBase2000 will dial up or direct connect, if that's what I'm using, make a connection to the panel. The upload button is the button that sends information from the computer to the panel. A quick look at this upload button sees it is illuminated, and an illuminated upload button means that information has been changed in the database but has not been sent to the panel. Every time I make a change in the database, I need to send that information to the panel. If I'm not connected to the panel and I select the upload button, I see that a number of packets in between the SD and RD on the left are put into the queue. If I connect to the panel, then those packets will be sent to the panel. They will count down, in this case, from 57 down to 0. That middle button will be grayed out, revealing that there are no packets to be sent. There's no changes that have not been sent to the panel. If I put a check mark in the disconnect after programming box, then AccessBase2000 will automatically disconnect after the programming is complete. Note that we have a 0 in between the SD and RD, and the middle button is grayed out. At the end of the day, after programming, this is what we want to see. All the information has been sent to the panel. The toolbar is what we use to navigate through different screens. If I select the toolbar, I will see the following selections: Global Network Settings, Credentials, Network, AccessBase, Printer. In Global Network Settings, what it's going to prompt you to is door validation groups. And door validation groups are considered as access levels. Within every door validation group, I have a door schedule, which door I'm referring to, and a time zone, which time and date I'm going to let somebody through that door. That, in turn, door validation groups are assigned to cardholder sets, and everybody in that cardholder set will have that same validation group or access level. We also see floor validation groups, which is for elevator control. That has been discontinued by Linear. We do not offer elevator control any longer. It should be dismissed. If more information is needed about validation groups, you can simply go to module number 4, labeled Validations Group, and there's a more in-depth explanation over that. Credentials is where we can add transmitters, cards, both block and individual. These transmitters and cards will not be active until they're added to a card holder. If more information is needed on that, Module 3, adding cardholders and credentials, will give you that information. The entry codes and directory codes in this screen, you can view the entry codes and you can view the directory codes, but they cannot be added. The network screen is where the nodes or panels are viewed. In this network screen, I see we have one AE1000 plus and network A address number 1. In AccessBase, I can have 8 different networks, A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, and 8 panels, be it AM3 plus, 1000 plus, 2000 plus, networked together via 485 for a total of 64 panels. If I select AccessBase, this is where operators can be defined. And in operators, I can define who can see different screens, who can make different selections. I can give restrictions to personnel once they log in that they can only add cardholders and credentials, for an example. The printer option gives you the capability to select different printers. That completes AccessBase2000 Basics. For more information, please go to module number 2. My name is Paul Jones. Have a great day.